quote for today, Sir JR?
Ang umaayaw ay hindi nagwawagi. Ang nagwawagi ay hindi umaayaw. The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still.
Lagi sinasabi sa akin.
yes.
Amen.
Daily
This is your quote
reminder.
for today.
Amen! We just need to be still, but not
Very
really. Ikot-ikot din, but the Lord will fight your battles. I just have a meeting with Fendi. So I'm gonna change, and then we're gonna go. Then we're gonna go to the last show for the day. Sus, parang may nakasaksak dun sa brain cell ko. Sorry, Hill. It makes a big difference kasi the bun, it's either you look like you're going to have a recital or you're a lawyer or you're super cool and chic and it was effortless, but it's so much effort.
I'm sorry.
Ito yung meron talaga siyang hinanakit sa akin from the wet look. Hindi nga ako nagsusulita eh.
This dress over here is part of the season. So usually when you attend the shows as an influencer, you're dressed by the brand, meaning to say, wala kang babayaran sa damit. So they will dress you up with all of these beautiful pieces na hindi pa for sale or palabas pa lang. So this is actually a sample of the dress that's about to go into the market. So pinusuot sa akin to and kabadong-kabado kami kasi ang haba. So pinahitahi pa namin yan ni Isa. Na, kasi after that, tatanggalin tahi, ibabalik. Kailangan mo ng damage.
Smile. Be kind. It's harder than not being kind. But it should also come naturally.
But it was so nice because when I entered, ang saya-saya dun sa street style. And when the PR saw me, oh my God!
And it's like, amor, that dress is for you. You don't give it back. It's my gift. But the bag, you give everything back. Just keep the dress. It's so good. It's really a happy dress. Indeed.
Beautiful smile.
Thank you, ka.
Part na siya ng memory hall.
You have to make it on time. Kailangan makuha mo yung mga requirements mo na kailangan ng, kunwari, Dolce & Gabbana, kailangan meron kang 3 posts, may story ka, may reel ka. Ganyan, kasama yun sa kontrata. Kailangan mo ma-prioritize yun. Pero at the same time, nanggagaling ka sa isang show. So, kailangan sunod-sunod. So, hindi ko alam paano ko nagawa sa totoo lang. Buti nang na-record, kundi panihinip lang siya sa akin.
Ang ganda talaga ni Kendall Jenner. So nakita namin siya. Ang ganda talaga niya. Sis, mukha ako si mukha ako si Lord of the Rings.
That's the secret of it all. After nito, wala na talaga akong maitatago.